And joining us now is trial attorney Rachel Fiset. So, Rachel, thanks so much for being with us. You know, lawsuits against power companies here in California, that is a thing that we've seen in the past, and those lawsuits have resulted in some massive action. What are you seeing with these two fires here in Los Angeles from your perspective?
Well, right now, the Palisades fire and the Eaton fire are differently situated. Right now, it appears that the Eaton fire, they're honing in on Southern California Edison as a very real potential cause to this fire. There will be state investigations, there will be findings. The Edison will do their own investigation, and lawyers will also do their own investigation as it relates to causation that could lead to liability for so much destruction. The Palisades fire, on the other hand, is less clear as to what has started. There's still a lot of investigation and speculation that it could have been arson or a firework or something that's really unrelated to a utility company. The lawsuit filed in the Palisades fire is different than saying there is a cause to the fire. It has been filed against LADWP, and they are saying it's because there was not enough water to put out the fire. So it's a very different situation as to the lawsuits at this time.
And Rachel, to be clear, the source of the fires, including the Eaton fire, as we just said, that's still under investigation. However, this day and age, like so many of the investigations that we see, start on social media, and we are seeing video that they've been citing in that lawsuit. You've seen it right there, and it's interesting. It is right above the ridge here. We went to go check it out a little bit earlier. We did see investigators down, or at least people in yellow jackets down around that area today, seeming to inspect the ground. But is that video, are these pieces of, I don't know if they're evidence, but are these pieces of video that are posted on social media going to become strong pieces of evidence against potentially Southern California Edison here?
That's a very real possibility. That's what's happening in this day and age, is that people have these cameras and they're catching events as they happen. So there will be months of investigation as to this cause, and as to state and county findings, months and months of investigation. And then there will be investigation by SoCal Edison themselves. So finding the exact causation may be difficult, but when you look at the pictures, that will go into the investigation, that will be evidence as it relates to causation.
Yeah, pictures, and not only pictures. I mean, I've seen so many postings with timestamps, documentation. This is something that affected so many people, and it is fascinating to see so many people with their phones documenting what happened as it unfolded. Rachel Fiset, thank you so much for joining us tonight.
Thank you.